Top 9 Best Hitch Cargo Carriers 2026. Find out the best products for you. Number 1. Forms are the best practices. They allow you to pick exactly the ballpark you want to be in your offer. Swings out for easy rear access. This Yakima EXO SwingBase completely moves your gear away, converting your 2-inch hitch into a versatile, foldable base for many accessories. Installation's tool-free with speed knobs. It includes a hitch lock and SKS locks, securing both the base and your items. It's durable, supporting up to 100 pounds. Crucially, it's just the base. You'll need separate Yakima accessories. For anyone prioritizing hassle-free rear vehicle access and modular storage, this hitch cargo system is a strong contender. Number 2. 500-pound capacity for demanding loads. That's what the MaxxHaul 70107 hitch cargo carrier offers. It's built with heavy-duty steel. Its 51 by 17.5-inch inner basket gives you generous space. This trailer mount carrier fits standard 2-inch hitch receivers, ideal for RVs, trucks, and SUVs. The high side rails keep cargo secure. It only comes in black, and you'll need a 2-inch receiver. For serious hauling, this one delivers. Number 3. This Yakima EXO GearLocker is designed for SwingBase integration. It's a solid hard-shell box built with Yakima's long history of simplifying travel and gear transport since 1979. They emphasize safety, sensibility, and street smarts in every design. As a hard-shell hitch cargo carrier, it protects your recreational sporting equipment. Keep in mind, it requires the SwingBase system for use. If you're invested in that platform, this GearLocker adds significant, secure storage. Number 4. Surprisingly light for its size, this hitch mount cargo rack lets you manage it alone. No component weighs over 27 pounds, which is great for single-person setup. It's an excellent ski and snowboard carrier, handling 8 pairs of skis or 4 snowboards. Made with aircraft-grade aluminum and rubber padding, it's built tough for your 2-inch trailer hitch. You get everything needed to get started with its full-tilt base post and XXL chuck strap. Just note, it only mounts to 2-inch hitches, so double-check your vehicle. For robust, easy-handling gear transport, it's a strong contender. Number 5. Converts your 1 1/4-inch hitch for 2-inch accessories. The MaxxHaul 7032 lets you use standard bike racks or cargo carriers on your Class 2 receiver. It handles up to 350 pounds for hitch-mounted gear. Crucially, this adapter is for accessories only, never towing. It requires 2 separate hitch pins, and these aren't included. Also, expect your vehicle's tongue weight capacity to be reduced. For expanding your accessory options on a Class 2 hitch, this is a solid choice. Number 6. Vida TIM4. Lightweight aluminum, 500-pound capacity. The MaxxHaul 70108 aluminum hitch cargo carrier delivers durable, rust-resistant hauling. Its heavy-duty steel underframe securely attaches to 2-inch hitch receivers. You get enhanced visibility with reflector lenses and high side rails for secure cargo and tie-down points. Inner dimensions are 47 1/4 by 20 1/4 inches, offering instant extra space for camping trips. However, its 22.5-inch width might be snug for really wide gear. It's a solid, practical choice for most vehicles needing versatile storage. Number 7. This 500-pound capacity carrier comes as a complete kit. The Mockins trailer hitch cargo carrier bundles a folding rack, stabilizer, and lock set to really cut down on rattle. You also get a 25 cubic foot waterproof bag, all your straps, and a cargo net. Its 2-inch arm raise gives improved ground clearance. While it's a solid 52 pounds, that 10-year warranty shows confidence. This makes it a fantastic all-in-one solution for hauling gear on your SUV, truck, or RV. Number 8. Fits buried bumper holes or grills. This BGTMO front license plate mounting kit is highly adaptable. It works with non-standard bumper holes or mounts to your grill using included stainless steel cable ties. Its black ABS plastic resists corrosion and rust. It keeps your plate rattle-proof and protects paint from scratches. Easy installation uses secure copper nuts. Just confirm your car's pre-drilled hole spacing. It's not a JDM to USDM adapter. For standard 6x12 plates, it's a versatile, durable front plate tag holder. Number 9. These AUGO ratchet straps offer a 2,200 pound brake strength. That's serious security for Hitch cargo carriers. Premium rubber-coated S-hooks with safety locks protect your vehicle. Quick release latch makes unloading cargo smooth. This 4-pack includes soft loops and bungees. These heavy-duty cargo straps are perfect for appliances, motorcycles, or moving. The 1-inch webbing might feel narrow for very wide loads. For dependable tie-downs though, this complete kit is excellent. Thanks for watching.